Hello everyone. Thanks for watching this video. In this tutorial, we will explain how to make your iPhone never turn off. Before starting, remember to subscribe and activate the bell. We will start by opening the settings option on our iPhone. Now, we go down a bit and select the display and brightness option. Once this is done, we go back down a bit and select the auto lock option. Next, we change it to the never option. And that's it. I hope you have learned how to make your iPhone never turn off. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.